Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make an egg mayonnaise sandwich easy method. Begin by boiling 3 eggs until firm, about 10 minutes, then cool and peel. Chop eggs and mix gently with 2 tablespoons mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon mustard, salt, and pepper so the filling stays creamy with soft chunks. Spread on bread, add lettuce or herbs if you like slice, and serve warm or chilled. To balance flavor, taste the egg mayo before assembling and adjust seasoning. If it tastes flat, add a squeeze of lemon or 1 teaspoon vinegar or a pinch of sugar for brightness. For creamier filling, mash more, or for chunkier texture, fold gently to preserve pieces. Add crunchy elements like celery or pickles for contrast. Chill briefly for better slicing, and always toast bread for structure. These small changes make a simple sandwich feel special. Quick recommendation: if you're enjoying this video, please subscribe and like to support the channel. On another note, grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling fresh after sandwich runs. It's a cheeky but useful pick-me-up. Check the description for the link and more deals you might like. Every like and subscription helps me make more quick recipes you can use tonight. Thanks for supporting this channel. Now let's get back to the video. Try variations like curried egg mayo by adding 1 teaspoon curry powder, or add chopped herbs for freshness. For a lighter option, use Greek yogurt for half the mayonnaise, or use avocado as a creamy alternative. To store, keep in an airtight container up to 2 days, and avoid leaving mayo sandwiches at room temperature over 2 hours. Serve with pickles or crisps for a satisfying crunch and enjoy. Share this with friends who love simple meals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.